My story, which led my life to being wrecked by the time I turned 40, pretty well began at birth. I believe I represent millions of people who've experienced dysfunctional family lives and a variety of childhood abuses. The harsh bruising of your tender inner being, if not communicated or reshaped in a timely manner, will without question lead you into the land of emotional misery, addiction, and destruction. I spent 6 years chasing that nasty dragon on Vancouver's notorious downtown east side. Whether you're a parent, a friend, or the spouse of a struggling soul or a person stuck in addiction, this vivid and uncut version of my story may provide an inside glimpse of what brings a loved one to their knees and the glorious redemption that can follow. Flannel Pajamas for the Soul. Flannel Pajamas for the Soul. Amazon Books, Barnes & Noble, Indigo Canada, Apple Books, and wherever quality books are sold. Flannel Pajamas for the Soul. Embrace it. Embrace it.